Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your device and OS because the tracking toggle exists only on iOS 14, 5 and later. Once done, open Settings and go to Privacy, then Tracking. This path leads you directly to the control. Tap the switch to turn Allow apps to request to track on. You're enabling apps to ask for permission, not granting it yet. This lets apps display the prompt, so you can decide per app why it needs tracking and protect your privacy. Next, handle the requests. When an app shows the tracking prompt, evaluate why it wants data and then tap Allow or ask app not to track. Choose based on benefit versus privacy. Once you've made choices, return to Settings Privacy, Tracking to view apps that requested permission and their current status. If a decision changes, toggle an app's permission or globally disable requests, and the app's behavior updates immediately. This lets you refine tracking access as you learn what each app does. To finish, make sure your device and apps are up to date so the permission system works reliably. If prompts still don't appear or an app ignores your choice, restart the device. That often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, reinstall the app and then check tracking again. Reinstalling forces the app to request fresh permission. As a final troubleshooting tip, if an app continues to bypass settings, contact the developer and report the behavior, because that can indicate a bug or policy violation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.